Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monzo card on phone. So it depends which phone you are using. If you are using iOS device, you need to simply link your card with Apple Pay. Or if you are using your Android device, you need to link your card with Google Pay. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and over here tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then select the option of payment and subscriptions, and over here you will see the option of payment methods. So once you select payment methods, you will see the option of add credit or debit card. So once you tap on this option, it will redirect you on the next page where you will provide your Monzo card number and then further details in order to successfully link that card with your Google account. Then you can use your Google wallet in order to make payments anywhere, and the money will be deducted from your Monzo card. So this way you will be able to use Monzo card on your phone. Similar is with the Apple Pay. You just have to go to the Apple wallet and then you need to link your Monzo card with that, and then you can use Apple Pay in order to buy subscriptions. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.